Today, I'm going to give a speech about the importance of soft power in the modern world. First of all, patriotism. It's a deep feeling and values that come from inside. Morality in children. It should be cultivated in every aspect. There are concepts of four important qualities as follows. Point 1. Patriotism. This will be done by sacrificing benefits, personal happiness for the benefit of the public. Point 2. Gratitude. It is a common principle in medicine which has cultivated in Thai society for a long time. It is said that a good person is one who is grateful to parents, teachers, and benefactors. Issue 3. Constant adherence to the monarchy. It is an institution that has always been with Thailand. Point 4. Being Thai manifests itself with love for the Thai language, culture, and traditions. The Thai language is one element of national identity that shows the Thai nation most proudly. It is the pride of Thai people who have always had their own language. Culture refers to things that make people's minds, bodies, and speech flourish better. May be divided into 2 points. 1. Thai natural culture, such as food, clothing, and beauties. 2. Psychological Thai culture, the unique characteristic of Thai people include humanity, generosity, kindness, and forgiveness. For example, the song Lambulan Songkran, it is to publicize and raise the level of soft power for Thailand. In addition, he also appointed Miss Atia Persu, the first runner of Miss Universe 2023, will be Miss Han Dewi, Miss Songkran 2024, who shows the identity of the Thai Songkran traditions as well. Summary of Thai soft power. Is it important to promote nationalism, to create patriotism, and love in the homeland, which will create